Hi friends, welcome to Diksuchi. In this video, we'll learn how to write an abstract for a project work. The project can be a mini project or major project or UG undergraduation program project or post-graduation project. Even the dissertation or thesis for your PhD. Let us see what does it contain. See, this is a portrait which composed of many functions. As you know, our brain functions, how actively it functions, our other parts of our body follows. That's what the abstract is. By looking at the abstract, by reading the abstract, a reader can understand what is there in your document, whether it is going to be help them or whether you are going to meet what they are looking for. So abstract is going to give a clear indication or identification that what the project is going to be discussed. Not only the project, you can write an abstract for any article also. So the summary of that article is what the abstract is. So if you see in the abstract, definitely it is a summary of the project, and it should consist of almost 3/4 of a page. Even one full page or 1.5 page. If it is a thesis, then you can go for 1.5 a page of abstract. Then what is a summary? What have to be mentioned? Let us see in the other 4 wings. That is, first you are starting with the topic. Of course, your project or article is going to mention the topic first, right? Under abstract, you must mention the overview of the title, how it has approached, 1 or 2 to 3 lines. Okay, so that is what the overview, how you write the overview. For example, in the previous video we discussed, if it is a road accidents, then what is the overview, right? There are many accidents are happening, or there are less number of accidents comparatively in the previous financial year, or something like that, academic year or calendar year, something like that, you are going to mention it. So overview of the title. Even sometimes it includes what latest is happening. Is there any announcement related to the topic in the newspapers? So that also have to be clearly mentioned. That has to be mentioned as an overview of the title. That should have almost 2 to 3 lines under the abstract. Then we have to mention our objectives. What are the objectives? Not only, you are not directly mentioning your objectives. You are mentioning what is a primary objective. If you have mentioned any hypothesis, so summarizing that hypothesis, you are just giving a clue what you are going to discuss in your further study, further project, further article. So that what you have to mention the objectives in a short form. That's almost 3 to 4 lines. If you can discuss, that could be a better idea and effective. Then you also have to mention the tools and techniques. In the sense, not the final tools or techniques what you have mentioned. You may use financial tools, or you may use any statistical tools, or any kind of mathematical tools. So how you are intended to apply those tools, and what could be your analysis, expected analysis during this project, is what to be mentioned. That also have to be covered in 1 or 2 lines. Okay, then the observations. During the observations, what you come across. Observations in the sense, not your final conclusions. You may approach some kind of a finding, so which is linking to your objectives. So that you are going to mention in 2 to 3 lines. See, exactly the abstract may not have the overview of the topic, objectives, tools and techniques and observations. Sometimes minor changes may happen, required. If anyway you are going through several articles, literature review, as we mentioned in the previous videos, when you are going through several literature reviews, you definitely come across and reading through the abstracts, right? So by reading the abstracts also, you will get an idea how you can beautifully design your abstract, where your paper or article or project work get attracted by the viewers or the readers to go through your documentation. Definitely your article can be mentioned as your citation for their, whoever the readers are, their further research work. So this is how you need to prepare your abstract, friends. It is not at all a difficult task. It is very easy task. So this is what I wanted to mention in this video, friends. Please do subscribe and also mention your comments in the box so that we can design few more videos related to the project work or any other educational topics. Till then, take care. Thank you.